Hi, hello, and welcome to NAMI'S classroom. Today, we are going to see how we can do citations in a document. Even though there are many available softwares for incorporating the citations in a document, the one which we most widely used is the Mendeley software. So, this Mendeley desktop software or Mendeley web software is a freeware, and this software can be downloaded from the website freely. Usually, this Mendeley software is used for managing the bibliographies and the references when writing essays and articles. So, this Mendeley software you will be able to download from the website, and you will be able to add a plugin to the Microsoft Word. So, I'm not going to show you how to download it. This can be done in another video, but today we are focusing on how to insert a citation, how to erase a citation, and how to replace a citation. So these are the three things that we are going to see in this particular video. So this is the document that I have taken. In this particular document, I want to add few citations. So once you download your Mendeley software and add a plugin to the Microsoft Word, you can go to references. Under these references, you can see a new box has been displayed. This is a new box that has been displayed. Okay, so once you install the Mendeley only, this particular box will be displayed in front of you. So you can make a plugin to the Word file, Microsoft Word, from the Mendeley software itself, and you can add some documents in the Mendeley software. So that those documents can be cited over the document that you are working on. So now first I'm going to show you how to insert a citation. Consider that this is a document I'm having, and I need to insert a citation in the first sentence. So let it be here. I'm going to insert a citation over here. So I'll just place the cursor over here, and you can see the cursor over here. And now what I have to do is I have to go to insert citation. Insert citation. So once I click on the insert citation, automatically the Mendeley desktop software will be opened. You can wait for some time because it will take some time to open the Mendeley software. So here you can see a dialog box is open for you. So now you can go to Mendeley. Click at go to Mendeley. Here is some documents that I have already been uploaded in my Mendeley software. So you can take any document, and if you are new to Mendeley desktop, after you download the Mendeley desktop, you can create an account and you can add some files. But now I'm not showing that. Instead, what I'm going to show is we need to take a document from here, and we have to place a citation in our document. So you can take consider that I'm going to take this particular document. This document. Click on the document, then you can click at cite. There is a option called a cite. You can just click on cite. You can see that the a new citation has been included in your document, but in the bibliography has not been added, or reference is not been added. So in order to include the reference, you can place the cursor where you want to insert the reference and click at insert bibliography. So you can see that the bibliography is been added. So this is how you have to insert the citation. In case now the style is IEEE. Now, if you want to change the style, so every document will be having its own style of referencing. So if you want to change the style, now you can, if you want in American Institute of Physics, then you can click on American Institute of Physics so that your citations will be getting changed. You can see the citation has been, before the citation was in square bracket, now there is no square bracket. And the reference format is also been changed. So as per the document, as per the format that you need for your reference, you can change that. So I'm just keeping it in IEEE itself, so you can see that it has been changed. So this is how you have to insert a citation. Now, if you want to delete a citation, if you want to delete a citation or if you want to remove a citation, the one thing that you can do is just click on the citation that you have created and just click at delete, or you can just give backspace. Just click backspace. Okay, now it has been deleted from your document. There is no one here, but you can see the citation over here. In the reference, you will be having citations like this, but that is not been changed. I have deleted the citation from my document, but it is not being deleted from the below references bibliography. So what I have to do is I have to click at refresh. So this is how you have to do. You have to delete the citation. So this is the way in which you will be able to delete the citation. Just place the cursor where you want to delete the citation. Just give the backspace or delete that particular citation from the document. Automatically, on clicking on the refresh, then the bibliography will also be deleted. So this is how you have to delete the citation. Now we'll see how to replace the citation. How to replace a citation. So in order to replace a citation, I'll just create one citation now. Insert citation. Go to Mendeley. I'm just inserting one citation to show you how to replace a citation. Okay, cite. So automatically the document cited will be displayed over here. Now I want to replace this. So you can see here it is I Banerjee and P Muttumadi. That document I have cited. Now I want to just replace it with another citation, another citation. Okay, so just click on the citation. You can see here. You can see here you have an icon called insert citation. So once you select this particular citation, you can see the icon has changed to edit citation. So you can click on edit citation, then go to Mendeley. And now if I want to replace that particular citation with another citation, Sharma, this one, okay, Chowdhury, Garima, this citation, this document, then I have to click at cite. Now you can see that the document has been replaced with the G. Chowdhury, S. Narayan Singh. So this is a document that I have replaced. So this is how you can replace a particular citation with another citation. So in this video, what I have done is I have tried to give you the inputs on how to insert a citation, how to remove a or erase a citation, and third is how to replace a citation. Hope you like the video. Please kindly subscribe the channel